my choice of reference node is arbitrary. I think I'll do this example again with this node here being 0 volts. Now defining dependent and independent nodes. So if this is 0 volts, this node's going to be dependent because there's no voltage difference in this circuit. This will be one independent voltage, and that will be another. So let me call this VA, and I'll call this VB. And then this node down here will be 6 volts lower than 0, since this is the positive terminal. So this just becomes a negative 6 volts. And now KCL at A gives me VA minus 0 volts over 2 kiloohms, which is this current, plus VA minus a minus 6 volts over 2 kiloohms, which would be the current leaving in this direction, plus VA minus VB over 4 kiloohms, which is this current, and that's all the currents accounted for at node A. KCL at B, this current is VB minus a minus 6 volts over 2 kiloohms, plus this current would be VB minus VA over 4 kiloohms is equal to 0. That's two equations and two unknowns. I can solve for VA and VB. Now I can write an equation for V0. V0 is the difference between this voltage and this voltage, with this voltage being assumed positive. So this is just VB minus a minus 6 volts, which is VB plus 6 volts. Three equations, three unknowns. I can determine V0.